Boom shakalaka!
Good morning, familia. I hope that everybody's doing all right. Today it is Friday, 5/16. Yesterday we couldn't do a live stream, bro, but we are here, Fat Nuts. Good to see you, my friend. Good morning, good morning. Let's get started, bro. There's a lot of things that I want to cover. Yesterday, sadly, I couldn't do it. It's just that I was working at the studio very, very late. So, familia, we are live. Markets looking green again after soft inflation data. Futures slightly higher, yields pulling back. PPI came in light, and I hope that you can hear me. Oh yeah, rate cut hopes are back, and we have huge deals globally today. Drop a comment. Are you bullish or bearish right now? We're diving into stocks, crypto, and all the breaking news. This segment number 1, guys, we gotta talk about the PPI, which came in lower than expected. 10-year yields drops to 4.40%, 2-year to 3.95%, and April import-export prices stronger than forecast. Housing starts up, but building permits dropped. Consumer sentiment expected at 53.1. That's enough to keep the Fed in pause mode, maybe even rate cuts later this year. And the market's stock index futures rise as softer inflation data keeps sentiments high. So S&P up 0.2%, Nasdaq 100.2, and the Dow futures 0.3%. Okay, segment number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, Trump announces $14.5 billion Boeing GE deal with Etihad. UAE signs $200 billion plus in agreements with the US. ExxonMobil, Qualcomm, Amazon, RTX all involved. Emirates Global Aluminum to build a $4 billion smelter in Oklahoma. This is big. We're talking manufacturing, energy, and critical minerals all getting long-term investment boosts. The next thing that I want to talk about, and we already have covered throughout the week, it is Nvidia, bro. Nvidia partner Wistron says US plants ready in 2026. Blackwell chips to be built in Texas, Arizona, with 1 million square feet of AI power. Nvidia stock stabilizing after recent pullback. AI isn't going domestic, and Nvidia is laying the groundwork now. I actually want to go ahead and take a quick look at Nvidia, my friends, because I still remember this person asking, should I get in when we're getting earnings? No, I say no, just wait. Bro, the waiting is basically an entry over here at 197s and currently at 136. If you would have been that patient, that you would have had a 27% increase in your investment. And I really think that this is gonna break up a little bit higher. I really think that this may be heading to, well, let me go ahead and do a Fibonacci. Sorry, I gotta move over here. So let's do a Fibonacci from the highs to the lows. We can be heading to 170s and even 200s. So definitely want to watch out for Nvidia. I think it's a long-term investment. I've been adding Nvidia for a while. But anyways, let's go ahead and move forward, guys, to Tesla, another big name that we have covered this week. Tesla adds Jack Hartung, ex-Chipotle CFO, ex-McDonald's VP, major food industry exec, joining tech's biggest disruptor. Tesla stock up 1%, approaching $350 again. Wow, let's look at Tesla real quick. And it is at 346. What an entry we had, my friend. Wow, that's a boom chakalaka Hadouken, my friend. Wow.
Boom shakalaka!
Hadouken! Dang it, bro. We entered very nicely on this one at 220s. Currently at 346. That's 55%, my friends. David, what is that? We're making profit. David. Actually, let me see if I can even find that song. I don't even know where it's at. But anyways, let's continue, guys. That's actually very good. And Hartung waive all pay, taking no salary or equity for now. It's a culture shift. Tesla bringing in customer experience masters. Interesting. Let's take a look at crypto, guys. So Bitcoin man, Bitcoin doing good. 103,664. It is consolidating right now. Not a lot of movement, honestly. So crypto a little bit in a halt. But you know what has been moving is Ethereum, bro. 2,610. I entered at 1,800s and still rocking Ethereum, bro. I'm still holding. Look at that. XRP 243 breaking out of a trend line. I think XRP could be heading back up to 264. Let's see what happens there. Cardano. Gotta get out of here, but it's looking better because we broke over here this trend line. Solana 173. Ooh, Solana actually looking good, guys. It's looking good. Look at Jasmine. It's breaking out. Spell token. Bro, we're looking good. I think we're looking good. I'm gonna keep an eye on Pepe and Bunk because those are related to Ethereum. I'm gonna keep an eye on Ondo. So a few things. Let me look over here at Euro USD real quick. 1.11. Not a lot of movement. UEP USD. Ooh, actually trying to go up. USD APY. This actually is making me some profit. So let's see what happens there because the DXY. Yeah, DXY looks to me like it wants to go up. If the DXY goes up, you already know, bro. But anyways, let's see if there's anything else for me to review. If inflation keeps cooling, crypto could start running hard again. And call to actions. Look, super chat. I'll chart your favorite stock or crypto. Become a member. I shout you out and give you exclusive TA. And don't forget, bro, Rockstar drops May 24th. Smash like and sub. And I'm gonna play in Chicago May 24th at Montreux Saloon. If you are there, it will be awesome to see you there and do some Hadoukens. Not bad, not bad. I just wanted to do a Friday morning review. I don't want to get too deep into the details right now. Dark Anchor, I hope you're doing good. Fat Nuts, I hope you're doing good. Yesterday I couldn't do a live stream, but here we are. New day, end of the week. Ethereum actually doing good. Look at that. Ooh, Ethereum is gonna do well, bro. So glad that I got in. And XRP doing good too, bro. It's a good rejection that we're getting. Gold looks a little bit bearish. Let me see things that I want to keep an eye on, like Rivian. Ooh, 1540. Bro, I'm actually in this one, and it's looking beautiful. This one, I'm going to be honest, is looking beautiful. This seems to me like it wants to pop up. Like, look. It's just this W for the win. And we got this flag that we're breaking out of. So this is looking very good. I don't know if you're in Fat Nuts, but Fat Nuts, I got in at 1350s. It's already at 1540s. And this to me can go to 26, 37. And Mizuho has a target of 70s. I really think that this can shine bright like a diamond. Ah, Riri. It's actually looking good. Let's look at SENS. We already know that this one is going down. A lot of people are wondering why this is going down even though it had good earnings. Well, that's what happens with earnings, bro. And the second quarter earnings wasn't as good in the sense of that it won't be the same as the third quarter. Third quarter is going to be key. And when we get to the European market, that's going to be key. So let's wait for July. Maybe we got to create a bottom first. Bro, our government closes the Indus waters. Bro, I think Pakistan is starting off water, bro. I hope our government open again. Bro, I have a friend that's going to India, and he's from India. He actually sings with me. Can you check Lady USD? I don't know, man. Like, is there any news for Lady? Because you already know. It's just let's see what happened here, Lady USDT. Bro, it's kind of stuck in there, huh? That 50 EMA was a strong resistance. But it's getting there, bro. I mean, it can still drop a little bit over here to that 4.4. But the weekly candle, 2 more days, bro. You got time, man. You got time. The weekly candle is not done. The last weekly candle was bullish, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna go up. I don't know too much about this, so but looking at it, it's still in an uptrend, bro. He hasn't broken. If he breaks, then we can drop. But right now, I will say watch out for this over here. Just watch out that. And we're getting in, and we're getting a lot of rejections. So, man, I can't even see my. There you go. There's a lot of rejection here. And I will say just wait for this. Maybe a retest there. But once we break that resistance, we should be good to head to the next one. And I'm thinking that it can be here at this 9.7 or a little bit higher, but it's a crypto, bro. Crypto can just explode anytime. Just like Ethereum, bro. Just Ethereum did the same thing, bro. Do you know what network they're using? Is it ERC20? Let me look at XRP. Yeah, XRP is doing good. Yeah, I got some good entries there. I gotta recover what I lost last night. It's a little bit, but I need to recover it. Why only me? I'm bad about watching this live. No. The fat nuts is there, bro. You hope no pump tomorrow? Oh, because you're trying to accumulate, right? Yeah, bro. Dark Anchor is a legit subscriber. He's a subscriber for the King David channel, and now he's been participating in these live streams, which I love, bro. Yeah, I know that you're accumulating, bro. Just accumulate it whenever you can, bro. Don't even think about the price. I will say, if you trust the project, don't even think about the price, because I've done that mistake where I'm like closing out some positions and I can't time it perfectly. No, I can't. So if you're in a spot account, just do it whenever you can, bro. Don't even, I mean, obviously you're like, oh my god, I hope it doesn't pump. So, but sometimes that will drive you crazy, bro. I'm telling you, and you can have big losses because of that mentality. Don't think about it that way, bro. I've lost too much by using that mentality. This is a little bit overbought, but is there anything else you want me to review, bro? Or are you only like looking at Lady, bro? Lady is actually looking good in the, and actually look, 4-hour candle, bro. We're starting to get a signal of buys, bro. Like the 2-pole oscillator hasn't marked it up yet, but it could be signaling very soon. Because if you look over here in the RSI, you can see we're getting across here. Even though I will appreciate it if we go to the oversold territory, which is 30. And this 2-pole oscillator, as you can see, this is what we want to have. These little circles. The little circles in a good RSI position. So like here happened. This was a perfect position, you know? I always use the RSI and complemented with the 2-pole oscillator now, and it gives me one of the best entries ever. And right now is getting to that area, bro. We already are revisiting this area too, so wanna watch out for that, bro. I'm not saying it's gonna escape, but definitely wanna watch out for that. This XRP, bro, was looking good. Pa que la pases bien. Nah, there's not enough volume today. I don't even know, man. I'm in USD APY. I want to see it go up. But let's see what happens. We broke a trend line. Look at that. The dollar may be going up. Look at that. Yes, sir. There you go. See, the DXY goes up. The USD APY goes up. I think we're gonna have a good end of the week or even weekend, bro. Let me see. I got some tactics, so I won't get checked out or freak out. People say I'm crazy dropping 90%, and I'm not freaking out. Hey, bro, if you're confident in it, you should be good. Tomorrow you turn 18? Oh, then you can start investing. Beta bot is not a bot, bro. He's not a bot. It's just his name, bro. It's perfect, though. Because he used to be part of the Yang Gang. He believes in data, bro. Data. What was it Yang did, bro? He used to be an advocate of data management, bro. Look at that. Look at the DXY, bro. See that? So the dollar is actually getting stronger. I don't know what that means about for crypto. So Euro USD has to go down. GBP USD has to go down. USD APY has to go up. Let's see. I don't know what that means for crypto. Market open? Market open, bro. So let's see. Surviving. Bro, I gotta go, but I wanted to review the stock market heat map. Let's see what's up. We're in the green, bro. Google green, Nvidia green, GE, AMD, even Home Depot, bro. Eli Lilly, Johnson Johnson. Yeah, we're gonna see green, bro, coming up. A lot of more green. I don't know about crypto though, but crypto should be green, but I just don't know, man. Yeah, it has good rejection here. Let's see. Yang Gang. There you go, bro. He's not crying, bro. Bro, today my friends forced me to smoke cigarettes, but I ignored them because I have vape. What the heck, bro? You miss Kai who was in the Yang Gang? Bro, I miss the Yang Gang, bro. Yang Gang was one of the best things ever, man. Everybody understood the issues, and we wanted to find a solution. It's a beautiful thing when people agree in the same problem and trying to find something to resolve it. I think there's something beautiful in that chaos. Man, today I gotta do a lot of stuff, bro. It's crazy. I don't even want to start working, but I have to start working. I just want to do this. Can you guys just give me $1 million so I can just do this every day? I mean, I do it every day. Either way. So I can just do this and not work. I'll have you guys as executive producers. Canadian, bro. Yeah, he's from Canada. The 51st state. That's what they say now, huh? 51st state. I don't know about that, bro. I mean, you got, what do you think about that, bet about? I don't think it's gonna happen, but ay, bro. Gotta deal with some stuff now. Canadian are handsome. I rather to be in 50s. Yeah, you rather be in a 51st state? Wow, you're the second Canadian that told me that, bro. Nah, don't say that. They vote for Wolfa? For Wolfa? Darkanko said we vote for cow, bro. What the heck is happening, bro? Politics with animals? There you go. Here we go. Crypto going up. This is what I wanted to see, bro. I had a freaking big entry that I lost a little bit of money, but I'm gonna recover now, bro. When this reaches 106,000, gonna be fine. Ethereum 2609. Okay, we're good. XRP is actually doing good, bro. This is looking very, very good. Oh yeah, bro. We're looking good. How's the dollar performing? It's retracing. So that means Euro USD a little bit higher. Is the APY a little bit lower? USD. It's alright. Bro, I gotta connect very soon, so I might leave soon, guys. It's like China. You have carbon tax? Man. I don't like when you get taxed too much. I mean, you gotta get taxed because you gotta make the government run, but I think there's other ways of getting the money for the government. It's not like taxing all that you do. It's kind of like it weakens you, you know? Like you're trying to work to get that money, get that bread, and out of the blue, because you made a purchase, you gotta pay. Or, you know what I mean? Buying food, you gotta pay taxes. Come on, man. Unless you have a farm, I guess. I would love to have a farm. My grandmother used to have a chicken's den. That's what it's called. Bro, have you tried this boom boom stick? Bro, go to my TikTok shop. And it's so good. So good. And the tax has nothing to do with environmental link to it. And the government admit they lied. And people are still voting for them. Bro, but I'm tribal because I'm from Mizoram, India. Mizoram, India. I want to see what Mizoram, India looks like. Let's find out together, bro. Ah, dang it, bro. I gotta jump to a call. So give me a second, my bros. I'm gonna mute myself, but I'll be back, Beta, but I'll be back, Dark Anchor. Just give me a second. Yo, I'm so sorry, bro. I had to fix something, bro. I became the savior for a little bit. I'm sorry, Beta, but I look very zoomed in. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, bro. Somebody at my job made a mistake, bro. They made a mistake, but it's alright. Thankfully, I was able to help them. Right now, it's nothing for me to do here. I'm just watching Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Bro, XRP is looking good. Bitcoin looking, man, I have a great position in Bitcoin, but XRP looking good. It's even looking better than Ethereum, bro. What the heck? By the way, you want to open a farm? I want to open a farm too, but a high-tech farm. Oh, that would be awesome. Like a mining farm, like mining Bitcoin or Ethereum. I mean, I don't think you can farm Ethereum anymore. There you go, 104k, bro. Dang it, bro. It would have been made. I wouldn't have lost what I lost yet last night. Dang it, man. You just hit my freaking stop loss. My stop loss was literally here. But now it's pumping, bro. Here we go, bro. We're gonna get an explosion. Crypto is gonna explode, bro. I don't want to work. You know what I want to do? I want to do this. And music, my bro. By the way, I think I got... I want to share with you something better about... Let me see if I can find it first. So I got a pre-save page for my new song. Yeah, this is it. I think this is it. Let me see. Better, but can you try this, bro? And even Dark Anchor, if you're still here, bro. Check if you can pre-save here this song. It is a food farm, but with layers over layers. Ooh. Or have farm 45 degree to make layers so it saves space. Oh, got it. Yeah, actually, that would be awesome, bro. I would like to grow my own, like, tomatoes and freaking lettuce. I think you can pre-save it now, bro. Yeah, you can add it to your playlist now. I wasn't gonna do a release like this, but now I'm doing it. Pre-saving the song, bro. Share the link. I don't know if you can open it now. Oh, you don't have Spotify account? Yeah, you can sign up with your email. But I wanted to see if you could, if you don't have Spotify, I mean, obviously you won't be able to get it, bro. I'm trying to set up all of this for the launch, you know. Like releasing a song is not that easy, man. But it is easier than before, definitely. Bro, beta, but I don't know if you want to support this channel, but one of my goals this year is to buy a better camera. So whoever, bro, supports me, becoming a member and all of that, is heading towards the camera, bro. I want to buy a camera. Bro, I think I gotta go, bro. Let's see, this is 90. Let's finish the stream. Should be good. Let's see. I'm waiting for the bull round to pump. As long as it is not pumping, I can't do anything. Yeah, have a good day, bro. Let's talk soon, bro. Thank you all. We do the videos con mucho amor, and as always, have a beautiful day.